Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a formula down an entire column in Google Sheets to automate your calculations and save you from hours of manual entry. First, use the fill handle. Click and drag. The most common way to apply a formula to a small or medium-sized list is by using the fill handle at the corner of your cell. Click the cell containing your formula, for example B2, look for the small blue square in the bottom right corner. Click and hold that blue square, then drag it down to the last row of your data. When you release, Google Sheets will automatically adjust the cell references for every row. Next, use an array formula. If you want your column to update automatically whenever you add new data in the future, you can use a single master formula. At the top of your column, wrap your existing formula in an array formula. For example, equals array formula A2 colon B8. Instead of copying the formula into every cell, this one formula sits in the top cell and pushes the results down the entire range automatically. This is the best way to keep your sheet future-proof as you add more rows. And that's pretty much it. To copy a formula down in 2026, you can drag the blue fill handle or use an array formula to automate the entire column. These tricks ensure your calculations stay consistent and error-free no matter how much data you add. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.